Hello dear students, it's been a while since I posted new videos, and today I have an interesting question. So it's from Math Kinguru, grade 5-6. Right, this problem was on one of the contests. I don't remember what year, but it's an interesting question. It took me a few minutes to figure it out. So we have magic square. So what is magic square? For those of you who don't know, magic square is when sum of all numbers in each row, in each column, and on both diagonals is the same, right? So sum of these numbers in the first row, and sum of the numbers in the second row, sum of the numbers in the third row, and same with columns and diagonals must be the same number, okay? So so we have to fill out this square, and then we have to find what is we have to find sum in these shaded squares, right? So here. So we need to find sum of these numbers, 4 numbers, okay? So to figure out these numbers, we have to fill out the square. So how can we fill out the square if we know only 7? And again, and we have to fill out numbers from 1 to 9. So we have 9 numbers from 1 to 9. So we have to fill out this square and find some of the shaded squares, some of the numbers in the shaded square. Okay, so let's think for a minute. You can pause the video and try to figure out yourself. Let's continue. So we know that sum of the numbers in the first row must be equal to some number, right? We don't know what number. And sum of the numbers in the second row must be equal to the same number, and sum of the numbers in the third row must be equal to same number, right? Because it's a magic square. Sum in each row is, sum of the numbers in each row is the same. So we have, and now if we add these 3 numbers, right? A plus A plus A, right? What is going to be equal? 3a. If we add these 3 numbers, so this sum, 3a, will be equal to the sum of all numbers, all 9 numbers, right? Okay, and we can figure out sum of all 9 numbers, right? So if we add numbers from 1 to 9, we'll get 45, right? So sum of these numbers equals to 45. It means that sum of each row equals to 15, right? Sum of numbers in the first row, in the second row, and in the third row must be equal to 15. And if we apply same logic to the columns, we'll get the same result. Okay, so we know that sum must add up to 15. So we already have 7, right? So here, sum of these 2 numbers must be equal to 8. And we have this come here. It could be 5 plus 3, right? Okay, let's see if we're lucky and we get it from the first time. And here, to make it 8, so it could be 6 and 2. Okay, and now it's kind of try and error, sort of. So, and we know our diagonals must be equal to 15. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So the only option left here, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this must be equal to 9, right? Which is not true. It's 9, so here we must have 6. We can. So let's switch 6. So let's try to switch 5 and 3. Let's see. So here we have 5, and here we have 3. So because it didn't work. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11, so here we have 4, right? So 4 plus 2 is 6, so here we must have 9, right? Because 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 2 is 15. Okay, let's figure out these 2 numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7, so here we have 8. 8, so let's check this column. So 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 4 is 15, so it works. So, and the only digit that left here is 1, because 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So we figured out our numbers. So it's 8, 1, 4, and 9. And if we add them up, 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 9 is 18, and plus 4 is 22. Right? Let's check it again. So 9, 18, 22. So sum of numbers in the shaded squares is 22. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. It helps us to build content and to bring students to our center. My name is Zor. I'm owner and operator of Flying Mind Center in Calgary, Alberta. If you have any questions regarding your kids' education or support, academical support, please give us a call at 403-650-2089, 403-650-2089. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.